Hi guys, Adina Silvestri here from atheistsInrecovery.com, and I wanted to take a quick moment to say hi and thank you for supporting the podcast. When I started the podcast almost 2 years ago now, I never thought about the lives that would be impacted. And one of the reasons that I started the podcast in the first place was because of the clients. My clients who are searching for recovery, for something beyond AA, and recovery programs, mainstream recovery programs wouldn't or couldn't offer those things. And so my clients needed something different. And I know all of you that have subscribed to the podcast know that. That you wouldn't be here if you didn't. And it takes courage to sometimes stand out. It takes courage to believe in what you believe in, to stand by individualized recovery. And so as we go forward and I think about the direction of the podcast, I would be so grateful if you could take 45 seconds to fill out the survey below and give me some feedback. The survey is quick and pain-free, relatively. As a thank you for participating in the survey, I created a Spring Clean Your Recovery checklist, and you will find the link on the confirmation page of the survey. Thanks again, Air. Bye.